Right, let's have ya. You're looking nice. Oh, they're a better weight this week. 60741. That's like a bag of air. Got the bulk, got the body.
Not losing too many feathers. Not in
Some
the
of
mould
them,
too
some
much.
of them are. I won't be sending some of them.
Because it is
That one's on the
forecast
third
for
flight.
showers, you said, isn't it?
That's on the third flight, but he's not casting any of these cover flights. But he's on his 7th flight. He's got 3 flights to go, but he's still in good feather. He's only just starting to go on the back of the neck
yeah,
there.
you can just see his...
He's not going around the face, he's not going around the nose, he's not lost any cover flights. He's good to go. 60741. He's the right weight as well, like a bag of air. Okay, candidate number 2. Now, we leave this one home. He's about the right weight. You can see how ragged he is around the head. It's the last.
Has he been
it's
to
the last
many?
race. He's been to most of them. He's still got 5 flights to go, but seeing he's molting around the head and there's chance of rain tomorrow, and if they do go up early it'll be a lot colder. He hasn't got the feathers to cope with it. So he's had most of the races. He can stay home. Be put by for next year. Okay, another cock. And then like a bag of air again. 60763, double combine winner. Dad's wanted me to stop this one for weeks. He's still got 6 flights to go. He's in really good feather. He's handling the right weight. Better than when he won the combine. He's going.
Don't tell your dad till tomorrow.
No.
When he comes home, hopefully.
Yeah. Like a sponge. Oh, he's got a few tail flights missing. So he just started to molt his tail flights there.
Oh yeah. Would that make a difference to him racing?
Well, that's like their rudder. That's their steering mechanism.
But it's the middle ones that are gone, isn't it?
It's only for airflow to go over the back of them. That doesn't concern me. He's got 5 flights to go. He's good around the face.
Shining on his neck. Which one's that one?
23A 60784. Handling really nice. He's going 143 mile tomorrow. They should all do it. They've had 150 mile of trainers this week. They've had 6 25 milers. This one's a bit suspect. (60861). He's got 4 flights to go. He's had a little nick there, or he's just starting to lose his covers.
Gone a bit round the face, isn't he?
He's just starting to go, so leave him home. Little blue cock, 60873. He's a little bit heavier than the others. 5 flights to go.
Going a bit round his neck.
He's just starting to go around the little bit around the face. Nothing too bad. He hasn't dropped any cover flights yet. He's going. So because around his face isn't too bad.
Which one was that?
60873. He's nice and clean. You're a little dink, you are. Little short cock, 60788. This is a Johnny Panis pigeon. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 flights to go. Cleaning up, nice pink skin's nice and pink. You ain't got no nicks or lumps or anything like that. He's looking good around the face. Nice and shiny. Plenty of body on him. He's dropped a tail flight as well. He's dropped one tail flight. So after this race, we'll keep them in, and then they'll just fall apart. After about a week, they'll just fall apart because they're just holding on to it now.
So is that because we've kept them training quite hard?
Yeah.
That they carried on?
That's why they're holding it now. I don't know what happened to this one. This one, I think, must have had a little nick there.
Oh,
because he's got new flights going. I noticed it when he come back from one of the trainers. He's got 5 flights to go. 60862. He hasn't proved himself yet. So it doesn't seem to affect him yet. He's got a couple of new flights here, so he might have had a nick before.
So that's this week, is it? Or you haven't noticed? Just.
She's got a couple of feathers being missing there. A little bit of feather being missing there.
So he could have just been grabbed like and
yeah,
got away
so
quick.
You never know under the feathers how sore he is.
Yeah.
So he can stay home. Like I said, this is the last race. They've got none of them have got really anything to prove. This one's looking a bit raggy. This is Joey's. This has got to go because they was given to me to race. But he is looking a bit raggy around the face. I didn't breed this one. This is the only one that I've got left that I didn't breed.
What number is he?
52180. Okay, boys, show your faces. Girl, there's a boy. Oh. It's handling good. 5 to go. Cast 2 flights pretty quick there.
See the step in them.
This is a brother to the double combine winner off of 666 and the Daughter of the Hulk. Now, I didn't think this pigeon had scored, but he has. He's had a 6th combine. So 4 of them have been raced. My one, or Jack Berry's one for him. The 2021 pigeon, no, 2022 pigeon we got in there, he won the combine. That's the grizzle cock. And then the nest mate to this one, he's won the combine twice. And this one's had 6th combine. So that pair will be staying together next year. Definite. I'll probably bull him a little bit to see if I can get a few extra off of him to be able to be raced. Here's a little cock. 60789. Lovely little pigeon. Shining. Right weight. He's very short. 5 to go. He's good. Come here, little boy. 60786. They're handling bloody good. Four to go. See how deep red his eye is. He's a stunner.
With burgundy almost. Huh?
Yeah. See how quiet and balanced they are. Happy and content. These have been a cracking set of youngsters we've had this year. They just seem so calm.
Yeah.
Even in here, you know, we're in here walking around. Better get that handling nice. Oh, we know why this is handling nice. This is probably the only one racing in England that's a grandchild of Brother Good Road. There's probably no other grandchildren. And he's done well as well. He's got 6 combine positions this year. GB23A 61399. A beautiful balanced cock. Look at that one. See that one tail feather? I'm contemplating putting him in the stock loft at the end of the season to see what he breeds for the next generation, because he's such a nice pigeon.
What, not to race him as a yearling then?
Not
just
to race
keep
him as a yearling,
stock?
no. I probably will.
What, racing?
Yeah.
Can you not just take an odd round out of them?
I'll definitely be able to take 2 pigeons off of him at the beginning part of the season. I could probably even bull him a little bit. He's beautiful, he is. So, another good looking boy here. God, it's like looking in the mirror. Five to go. This one's a little bit heavy. Hell, it is like looking in the mirror. Eyes nice and bright. It's like a piece of glass. He's got a little nick on his wattle there.
Yeah.
Which is probably through fighting. Beautiful. 5 to go. Oh, that's that one with that broken wingtip.
Oh yeah.
He'll molt that next, see.
What number was he?
He is 60757. He's a little bit heavy like he is.
Right. Is it going to be a light wind tomorrow or?
Yeah, it'll be quite a quick race tomorrow. Right. I think that's all the cocks. So let's start on the little girlies. Right, little girls. Nice little blue pied. It's got a little bit of white on the front. And this one's starting to go around the ears. He's going around the ears. She's got 5 flights to go. 60896.
Just falling out, aren't they?
Yeah.
Leave
her
for
out.
another day.
Leave her out. Stunning. 60898. 4 to go. She's just starting to go, but I think she can go this week. Not the cleanest by a long shot. She's handling really good though.
Was there a source behind the looking at the skin and the scales?
A source?
You know, like where did it come from? Is it something that somebody's told you along the way, or is it an actual reason for condition, or is it just something you've picked up from other people?
It's just better conditioned pigeons. Yeah, I'm sure I picked it up from someone years ago. Pigeons that are in better condition tend to have cleaner skin, but it's not the be all and end all of it. See, this one's very
downy.
It's got a lot of down feathers. Now some pigeons carry a lot more down feathers.
Yeah, because when we vaccinate, sometimes you have a hard time to find
60783. She's all right. Come here, little baby. 60904. She's all right. She got 5 to go. Just very fine scales. Her skin's a little tiny bit darker.
She's a red.
No, it shouldn't make a difference to the colour of her skin. This is her nestmate. This is the same way bred as her, so not nestmate. This one had a 3rd combine the first week, I think, or 2nd week. 60878. It's got a stronger back, this one has. 4 flights to go. But these 2 reds had a couple of weeks off. So they need to go, really. There's no reason why she can't. Come here, little cheeky chick. 60901. 4 to go. This one will fall apart as soon as she comes home. She's going around the back of her head, look.
See it on her neck.
Yeah.
Yeah.
But she hasn't started to go around her face yet.
No.
She will go quick. The white flight, 95. This is the one that's got the split tail feathers.
Oh yeah.
She's flown well. 60895. 5 flights to go. She's just starting to go around her nose. But these are a new line that we've had in, so I really want to push them hard.
Which lines are they?
Johnny Panis.
Oh yeah, yeah.
She's a little bit heavy. Six oh seven 69. I know what you are. You're a beauty. They've had lots and lots of positions.
Very consistent, aren't they?
If you remember, 69 was the one that I reckon was going to come first one week. And
Yeah.
68, the nestmate, came first. Six 60768. 4 flights to go. They're stunning. Nice and clean.
Nice and clean, yeah.
Beautiful. They've had every race. They've had 7 races so far, 6 times. They've got really good cards. Anyone, you're going. strong back, 60868. You know,
that was the other one, that's the winner last week.
This is the winner last week. This one, first combine last week, 120 mile at 3 flights to go.
Yeah.
Like I said in previous videos, it doesn't really matter with young ones how far up the wing they are, as long as they're not losing their covers. As long as they're not losing their cover flights and going around the head. It don't matter how far up the wing they are, because all they want to do is fly. It's like a kid. All he wants to do is run around. Oh. That's another thing I like to see in a pigeon. Now, I'm no eye sign person. If you look at that eye, you see that black line over there on the front of its eye. Do you see it?
Yeah.
It goes from his pupil out to the outside
yeah.
of his eye. I like to see that. I don't know what it means or anything like that, because I'm not into eye sign. But the pigeons that I've had with that have been good pigeons. Ah. And she won the combine. Come here, little one. 60892. This had a couple of weeks off as well, so this needs to go. Nothing wrong with it. Plenty of feather on her. 4 flights to go. Nothing wrong with her whatsoever.
What sort of times have they been making with training? Decent or?
Round about the half an hour mark. But I never worry about how quick they come back from training, because it's a trainer. I'd rather they took longer, because they're in the sky flying for longer. These old frilly knickers. 60886. 4 to go. Nothing wrong with her. She's a very deep pigeon. When I say deep pigeon, she's got a very deep keel. This part here.
Yeah, I think you and Dad both said last week, that's deep.
Rather have a deep pigeon than a shallow pigeon though. There's our bronzy wings. In every week. 60817. Been very consistent. She's always come. But I do like the pigeon. She hasn't scored, but she has been the first pigeon back to she has been the first back to the loft before.
Maybe she just hasn't had the right race yet.
Yeah.
Would that sort of indicate she would like a longer race or be better
Not
at a longer race?
Not necessarily, she just might come better as a yearling. Some of the ones that win as a youngster never do anything as a yearling. 60876. 4 to go. Plenty of feather. It's not dropping at all. She will start to go pretty quick when she comes back though, when we stop her. So 851. See her going around the head. So I'm not just not going to bother sending her. They've had loads of experience. How many trainers have they had?
Oh, well, every week.
They've had six 25 milers this week.
But it's been dry.
So if you said they had 6 20 milers every week for the past 7 weeks since we've been racing, plus all the racing, plus all the training before they went racing, they had that 60 miler on their own. 60902. Not a lot wrong with her, except for she's shit on my hand. She's just starting to go, but I am going to send her because she's been the first bird through the trap on the trainers a few times, so she's eager.
What, this week?
Yeah. Is that it?
Okay.
Yeah. So what have we left behind for our team next year? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Plus the dropper. Plus I stopped one a few weeks back. That's it. Let's go on then. Here we are. I'd like to see what everybody else is doing. Parents, good luck from Ireland. Thank you.
Yeah, is that them?
Yep. Come on, come on, come on, come on, come on, come on. Come on, come on, come on, come on, come on, come on, come on. Come on in. Come on, come on, come on, come on, come on, come on. Come on in, come on, come on, come on, come on. Come on, come on, come on, come on, come on. Come on in, come on, come on, come on, come on, come on. Come on, come on, come on, come on, come on. Come on, come on, come on, come on, come on. Come on in, come on, come on. Don't be trapped. Where the hell did they come from?
They were up above. Don't think that red one's yours, is it? Oh, I don't know. It's coming back. Might be.
You say every dog has its day. Come on in. Come on, come on, come on. Come on in, come on, come on, come on. First one is number 95, that one with the split tail.
Oh, yeah.
Come on in, come on, come on, come on. Come on. Come on in, come on, come on, come on, come on, come on. Come on in. Come on, come on, come on. Come on, come on, come on, come on, come on. Come on in. Come on, come on.
Funny old weather though, isn't it?
Yeah.
Oh, another two.
Come on in, come on, come on. See them look right. Did they come from behind?
They come from behind,
I
they
thought
did.
they did. Come on in, come on, come on, come on, come on.
Could hear them.
Come on in. Come on, come on, come on, come on. Come on, come on, come on, come on. They've gone down that north coast.
Well, pushing them that way, I
Come on
should
in,
think.
come on, come on. Come on, come on, come on. They ain't coming down with these on that.
They do, don't they?
Come on in, come on, come on, come on. Come on in. Come on. Come on, come on, come on, come on. Come on in. Come on, come on, come on. He's quite wet. Come on in. Come on, come on, come on. Come on in. What are you doing over there? Silly bugger. Come on, come on, come on, come on, come on. Come on in. Come on, come on, come on. Come on. Don't fucking piss me off. Come on, come on, come on, come on. Come on in. Come on, come on, come on, come on.
Oh, skidded on the top of the roof.
Come on, come on. matter with them?
He's looking.
Come on, come on, come on, come on. What the hell's the matter with these today? Come on, come on, come on. Another 30 seconds, I'll get the gun out. Come on, come on, come on, come on.
Where's your dropper? Gone in.
Come on, come on. Yeah. Come on. Come on, come on, come on, come on, come on. Come on, come on, come on. Come on, come on, come on, come on.
Get your honey and lemon.
Come on. Come on, come on, come on, come on.
What's that? Here we go.
Here we go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Come on in. Come on, come on, come on. Come on, come on. Where you been, you lazy buggers?
Took the scenic route.
Yeah, come on in. Come on, come on, come on, come on, come on, come on, come on. Come on, 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 It's just like waiting for a bus, isn't it? You're waiting there for an hour and then all of a sudden two come along.
That was a few more than two.
Not a great end to the season for returns. The birds that came first were decent pigeons. Came in decent time. Got 17 out of 25. Some of the babies down there having a bath. So we're still here waiting. I'm 2 combine winners missing. We sent 4 combine winners, 2 of them are home. They haven't got much hope in coming home today. I keep looking. I'm sure they'll be here. So last race of the season. Black bull to look forward to now.